CD. Many of us want to see change. It's our aim. But because we don't want to give up the sound of Lil Wayne and the game, our aim is pointless because pointless blink lyrics have us shooting blanks at point blank range. I'm speeding! Rick Ross in his platinum chain, how you feeling for the fast lane? He has your head in the clouds like cocaine. That shouldn't be too hard to maintain, forgetting that the main thing is to remain sane in order to dodge those bullets when they come crashing through your window pane. In other words, you gotta be speeding if you're gonna be in the fast lane. One wrong move, there is no coming back, even if you had 100 stacks of greenbacks, accompanied with a couple of packs of road game. Your money might be able to get you to the laundromat, but detergent won't be able to reverse the blood stain. And Ross could care less. After all, your blood didn't come from his veins. They say blood is thicker than water. False. Because his dollar is thicker than your slaughter. So let's continue to kill the future, for that's the formula for making cheddar. Hey, Mr. Carter. Hey, Mr. Killer, I must admit, Lil Wayne has a twisted brain, but he can't make it rain without a twist of Mary Jane. But still you support his fame. You pop in his CD and listen to everything. You live by everything that he says in his bars. In that case, I challenge you to challenge him to do those things when he's not high enough to eat a star. All today's rappers talk about are money, hoes, and cars. It's all they talk about, so it's all they are. They hip-hop on television and create an illusion because they know that you would not buy CD if they were portrayed to be as poor as you are. So bring out the fake money, the money-hungry hoes, and the rented cars. Makeup artist, I want you to cover up my scars and the pictures of my dead homies and the ones that are doing time behind bars. And here we go. We've got a show to put on. I got to make another cool million, even if I do have to destroy the potential of today's children.